Here we go. Box of Gold Collection Hockey from SeReal, KHL, for mnum. Last box from this sealed case that we did. The end of Gold Collection. All right. See if we can hit a letter. Just gonna go backwards because they're already upside down. Huh? This should have been the gold. Okay, that might be a good sign. I don't know. We'll find out. Number /50, Andrei Zubrev autograph. This should have been the All-Star Gold relic, and it wasn't. Interesting. Zubrev autograph, number /50. Maybe that's a good sign that it's going to be a weird box. KHL Without Borders of Nico Kapanen. No, I don't think they all do, but the gold one's always on the bottom so far. This is the first box out of the 12-box case that didn't have the gold one on the bottom. 5-year anniversary of Ivan Kasutin. Number /299. Etched autograph. That'd go good with the other ones. Evgeny Malkin. Malkin etched auto. Nice. You have a Malkin magnet. Miroslav Blatek. KHL Without Borders. Nice two-color all-star patch of Igor Skorakadov. All-star patch. Number two of 250. Here's your first rookie of Sergei Shumakov. Rookie. Wow, that pack fell apart. Number /50, Tom Wandel autograph, number /50. Nice. Number /50, Maxim Solovyov. Jersey auto, number /50. Maxim Solovyov. Those are tough. Only a couple of those per case. Vitaly Yeremeyev. That was a bad one. 5-year anniversary. Etched auto, Alexei Morozov. Five-year of Edward Reisvik. 5-year. One-color patch of Arders Kolda. Part of the game patch, Arders Kolda. Autograph, Brandon Bochenski. You're getting a lot of recognizable names in this box. Usually a good thing. Rookie of Stanislav Kalashnikov. Without Borders of Brent Sopel. KHL Without Borders. Etched auto, Andrei Kostitsyn. Etched autograph. Five-year, John Lasak. Etched, Stefan Ruzicka. Should have another KHL Without Borders. Should have a couple more rookies. Here's an all-star patch of Tim Stapleton. All-star patch. That's 7 hits, so we'll have one more hit, a couple rookies. Edward Gimatov, rookie. Here's your gold. 3-color patch, Jakub Petruzalek, All-Star Patch Gold. So it should be a rookie without borders and a mystery. I don't know what that last one, maybe another hit. Tim Stapleton, KHL without borders. Because that's 4 KHL, yep. For 5 years. 4 etched. Alright, so one of these should be a hit, one should be a rookie. Here's the rookie. Ryan O'Reilly. Rookie. And this one's a mystery, I don't know. Another patch, number to 199. Oh, solid player. Alex Ovechkin. Alex Ovechkin, 2-color relic, number to 199. So mnum, there you have